Hey dreamers, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up the veins in our latest project, the Woodsy Welcome Wreath. So we included some really cute veins, and we're going to set up the machine to draw those. So let's go ahead and import our SVG. So I'm going to show you a few different examples here. So the first one I'm going to open is the leaves beehive. And let me scroll in a little bit so that you guys can see this. And you're going to see that these are all veins. It is important that we change any vein in any of the files in this folder. Otherwise they will cut through, and we do not want that. So I'm going to go over here to the right, and I'm going to click on the third icon down, which is the layers panel. And then I'm going to go ahead and select the right layer, the correct layer. And if you're not sure which that correct layer is for the veins, you can temporarily turn the eyeball off. And that's going to show you what layer you're working on. So if I were to if I had the second layer highlighted and I was turning that off, that's definitely not what I want. I want this layer. And so once I'm on the right layer, all I need to do is change this little icon, which is a blade, and it currently says cut. And I need to change that to draw. So it did change the icon. It looks like a pen now, and it does say draw. And so this project would be ready to go ahead and cut. So let me show you an additional example. Let's start over. So I'm going to go File, New, and I'm going to import, let's import main to dark. Now in some of the files they are going to have 3 layers. So the first layer, so the top layer here is going to be guidelines. You see these are these odd squiggly lines. These are guidelines, and these are going to help you with placement on the wreath. So let's move down to the second layer, and if I do the little eyeball trick, you're going to see that that layer is the indeed the veins. So I'm going to make sure that I am highlighting the correct layer and changing that to draw. And so you're going to want to make sure that you go through each of the files, and this is how you're going to change the vein layer to draw.